Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury motorhomes of 2026, the all-new Mercedes-Benz Large Motorhome. This beast is set to redefine luxury on wheels with cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, and performance that rivals premium RVs. Whether you're a full-time traveler or an occasional road tripper, this motorhome promises to deliver an unforgettable experience. Let's break down everything from specs and design to performance and pricing. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Large Motorhome boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that merges elegance with functionality. The front fascia features the iconic Mercedes grille, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that adjust brightness based on driving conditions. The body is constructed from high-strength lightweight materials, improving fuel efficiency without compromising durability. The motorhome sits on massive alloy wheels with optional sizes up to 22 inches and includes an integrated awning, exterior lighting, and premium paint finishes that resist scratches and UV damage. Step inside, and you're greeted by a lavish space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. The interior is available in multiple configurations, including a master bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and a lounge area with reclining seats. Mercedes has used premium materials like Nappa leather, real wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The smart home system allows you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment via voice commands or a touchscreen panel. The motorhome also features panoramic windows, blackout blinds, and noise-insulated walls for maximum comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Large Motorhome is expected to come with a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged diesel engine with an electric motor. The total output is estimated at around 400 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The electric motor supports short-distance, zero-emission driving, perfect for campsite arrivals. The motorhome will likely feature a 9-speed automatic transmission, air suspension, and Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for superior handling on all terrains. The hybrid system includes a high-capacity battery pack, providing an electric-only range of approximately 50 miles. Charging can be done via standard RV park hookups, fast charging stations, or regenerative braking. Mercedes claims a full charge takes about 4 hours on a 240V outlet. For extended trips, the diesel engine acts as a range extender, eliminating range anxiety. The battery management system ensures longevity, with Mercedes offering a 10-year warranty on the hybrid components. Despite its size, this motorhome is no slouch. Early tests suggest a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 12 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of this class. The top speed is electronically limited to 85 miles per hour for safety. The adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and rear-wheel steering make highway driving effortless. The air suspension adjusts ride height based on speed and road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Mercedes has packed this motorhome with advanced safety tech, including 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. The MBUX infotainment system supports navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. A premium sound system, satellite TV, and a rear-view camera with night vision enhance the driving and living experience. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Large Motorhome is expected to start at around $250,000, with fully loaded models reaching upwards of $350,000. Pre-orders will likely open in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. Given Mercedes' reputation, demand will be high, so interested buyers should stay tuned for official announcements. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Large Motorhome is shaping up to be a game-changer in the luxury RV segment. With its blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge tech, it's perfect for those who refuse to compromise on the road. If you're in the market for a top-tier motorhome, this should be at the top of your list. What do you think about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Large Motorhome? Would you take one on a cross-country trip? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.